tweeting. The reason I'm talking about both of them because Donald Trump went on about, Nike, but Kanye West also went on and apologized on Twitter.
Yesterday, though, I like the beef in hip hop, so.
So you like giving it
I would have preferred him not to apologize.
You just like drama.
No, not that. I just like the beef in hip hop. Commercial free coming out and a brand new black and white. Hang on. I don't have gang on my